Hello students, this is our DME class. So today we will discuss couplings. So first of all, what is coupling? Shafts are usually available up to 7 meter length due to inconvenience in transport. As you know that if we increase the length of the shaft beyond 7 meters, then it will be difficult for us to transport these shafts. So the shafts are generally made up to 7 meters length so that they can be easily transported from one place to another place. So in order to have a greater length, it becomes necessary to join two or more pieces. But in actual practice, when you want to transmit the power from one place to another place, you may require the shaft which is greater than 7 meters. So in that case, you will join two or more shafts together. So in this case, you will use couplings. So the function of the coupling is to join the two shafts together, or we can say disconnect them when it is necessary. So what is the purpose of the shaft coupling? The first purpose is to provide for the connection of the shafts of units that are manufactured separately as a motor and generator, and to provide for the disconnection for the repair or alterations. So as I have told you, the main function of the coupling is to couple the shafts together. That means to connect the shafts together and the disconnect when it is necessary for the repair and alteration purpose. Another function of the coupling is to reduce the transmission of shock loads from one shaft to another. Now, when we connect two shafts, it is the chances may be that transmission of shock loads from one shaft to another shaft are possible. But the main function of the coupling is to reduce the transmission of shock loads from one shaft to another shaft. So what is the requirement of the good coupling? Which we coupling we can say it is a good coupling. So it is should be easy to connect or disconnect first thing, and the second thing is it should transmit full power without any losses. So there should be no loss of power from one shaft to another shaft. It should reduce the transmission of shock loads from one to another shaft. So what are types of coupling? The important types of coupling are rigid coupling and flexible coupling. There are though many types of coupling, but the broad classification says the coupling may be divided into two types, that is rigid coupling and flexible coupling. So first of all, what is a rigid coupling? It is used to connect two shafts which are perfectly aligned. Following types of rigid coupling are important from the subject point of view. Uh, the rigid coupling we can say is a coupling when the axes of the two shafts are in one line. That means these shafts are perfectly aligned and there is no chance of misalignment between the shaft. So these types are including muff coupling, that is sleeve coupling or muff coupling, clamp coupling, we can say split muff coupling or compression coupling, flange coupling. Another coupling is flexible coupling, where you allow some kind of misalignment, that is lateral misalignment, angular misalignment between the axes of the shafts, so that this coupling can be said to be as flexible coupling. Following types of flexible coupling are important from the subject point of view. First one is bushed pin type coupling, another is universal coupling, and another one is old ham coupling. So in your syllabus, there is muff coupling, split muff coupling, flange coupling, and bush pin type coupling, whereas universal and old hand coupling are not in your syllabus. So first of all, the important coupling is sleeve coupling or muff coupling. What is it? It is the simplest type of rigid coupling which is made of cast iron. So the material which it is made is generally cast iron. It consists of a hollow cylinder whose inner diameter is same as that of the shaft. It is fitted over the ends of the two shafts by means of a gib head key. So let's see the diagram. So we have a shaft here which on the left side and this shaft is on the right side. We want to join these two shafts which is having diameter small d. So we want to join this at this point. So what we use is a hollow cylinder. This muff is generally a hollow cylinder, or we can say a sleeve which is having a diameter of capital D. So this muff and shaft are connected with the help of a key like this. So basically muff coupling has three elements. One is shaft, another one is muff, and another one is key. So capital D is the diameter of the muff having inner diameter of the shaft, that is D, and the length of the muff is L. So what are the empirical formulas that are used for the sleeve or muff coupling? First one is outer diameter of the sleeve, that is capital D is 2D plus 13. This capital D we can say is twice the diameter of the shaft plus 13 mm, and the length of the sleeve we can say is 3.5 D. So the power transmitted from one shaft to another by means of a key and a sleeve. So this is the question which we will solve in the upcoming video. Okay guys, so stay tuned. In the next video, we will discuss the design of muff coupling. Okay guys, thank you.